Welcome to the Borland Climb. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your Huawei Band 8 to a Xiaomi phone. First, ensure your Huawei Band 8 is charged to at least 50% to prevent any interruptions during the setup process. Next, download the official Huawei Health app from your Xiaomi phone's app store. Finally, activate Bluetooth on your Xiaomi phone through its settings menu. These initial steps are crucial for a smooth and successful connection between your devices, preparing them for the pairing process ahead. Now, let's pair your devices. Open the Huawei Health app on your Xiaomi phone and navigate to the Devices section, usually found at the bottom of the screen. Tap on Add Device and then select Smart Bands from the category list. Choose Huawei Band 8 when it appears. A pairing request will then pop up on both your phone and the band. Confirm it on both to establish the connection. This step links your band directly to your phone, allowing data synchronization. Encountering issues? Don't worry, here are some troubleshooting tips. If pairing fails, try restarting both your Huawei Band 8 and your Xiaomi phone. Sometimes, a simple reboot resolves connectivity glitches. You can also clear the cache of the Huawei Health app in your phone settings to refresh its data. Ensure the app has all necessary permissions enabled, such as location and Bluetooth. Finally, attempt pairing in an area with minimal wireless interference for the best signal. Congratulations, your Huawei Band 8 is now connected. With the Huawei Health app, you can personalize your experience. Customize watch faces to match your style and manage notification settings to receive alerts directly on your wrist. You can also track various fitness data, including your daily steps, heart rate, and sleep patterns, gaining valuable insights into your health. Explore additional features like setting alarms or using remote camera control for added convenience. Enjoy your new connected experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.